Based on the world-leading SKYVAC, the manufacturers have now developed the SKYVAC ATEX high-level cleaning system, providing a safe, simple, cost-effective solution to a wide variety of industries. Powerful and flexible, this robust system is suitable for safe use with the ATEX 22 explosive dust zones and is the only independently certified high-level cleaning system made from the world's most advanced materials. With features such as a large cleaning filter system and a large filtration area. The A37G explosion-proof vacuum increases efficiency and reduced downtime, reducing the risk of Class M combustible dust explosions. This machine is popular in a range of sectors including industrial manufacturing, food and beverage, processing and many more. Eliminating the risk associated from working from height, the system utilises the world's lightest carbon fibre poles at just 186 grams per metre, accessing areas up to 12 metres high that traditional equipment cannot reach. With an airflow of 3,200 litres per minute, the system can successfully remove the densest of dust in a single cleaning process. Combining innovative design and ease of use, the SKYVAC ATEX increases productivity through reduced setup times, training costs and the high-end delivery of access equipment. For a demonstration or for further information, call 01462 421 333 or visit our website www.promain.co.uk.